Hey, what is going on, guys? Danny here with you. In this video, we're going to talk about this big move that Shiba Inu just made. And as always, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. All right, so in the video that we did earlier today, we were continuing to talk about this flag pattern right here. And as you can see, we did break below it, and we actually did come back down and actually go through this support line for just a minute or two. But as you can see, we did hold this line of support right here, which is actually the pennant line that we were talking about earlier. So the more and more I look at this, it looks like we probably are dealing with a large pennant pattern. And as you see, we did have this very large move right here. We did come up and actually break this trend line right here. So this line should now act as a support line. And let me switch over to the 5-minute chart right here. All right, and as you can see, we have come back down and already retested this line of support once. So we may or may not come back down. It looks like this current time we are forming some type of pattern. All right, so we could be forming another descending triangle, or as always, we could be forming another pennant pattern. We'll have to wait for another minute or a couple minutes to see which way this will play out. Let's go over here and pull out the Fibonacci retracement and see where we could be heading short term. Let me go back over the 15-minute chart. All right, and again, I'm going to drag the Fibonacci all the way from the local high that we had a couple of days ago. And we're going to drag this down to our last area of support, our low from just a little bit ago. And put that right there. All right, and short term, you can see we actually did come up and hit the 0.618 area already right here on the Fibonacci. And so we'll probably come back down. We might correct a little bit, or depending on how bullish this pattern is, we may break out. And our next target will be up here. That is at the, let's see, this area is right around the 4179 area, around the 4200. So we may go up there. Of course, we could consolidate for a little bit and then head back up there. But let's go over here and check out how the RSIs are looking at for the minute. All right, so over here, we're going to start out with the hourly chart. And as you see, the RSIs, we have gotten really high since we did have that large move just now. We are currently around the 66 level. Stochastic has come all the way up, and you can see we are up in the overbought territory. So of course, we could have a consolidation where we do cool down, come back down and retest this line and break back up again. Or we could be very bullish and just keep heading up and hit our target up here. We'll have to wait and see what will play out. And over here on the 4-hour chart, the RSI is still looking good. We still have a lot of room to run with. We are around 55 at the moment. Stochastic is pretty high right now. Looks like we have a little bit more ways to go. And over here on the daily, all right, and it looks like the daily, we are around 66 at the moment. I know we were talking earlier about how we could get a little bit of a bounce right here. It looks like that is what did happen. And let me clear this bottom part right here. And stochastic is still going down. We should be starting to head back up here. So this is very indicative of our next big bull run, hopefully. All right, so that's just a quick update for now. We'll have to see more or less in the morning when I do the next video, if I do have a chance. We'll see where we are. This is a very good sign. We have broken bullish out of here. So hopefully we will continue this strong bull trend and get to our next target up here. But as always, I appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to watch this video. And please make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. All right, you guys take care.